Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created the setup for this photo, which I've called Hatchling. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used Luke Skywalker, Ahsoka Tano and R2-D2 from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. To begin setting up my shot, I spread an ungodly amount of sand all over my desk. It was a massive pain in the butt to clean up afterwards, but sometimes you have to inconvenience yourself a little to get the shot you want. Next, I positioned my lights, which are just out of frame. I'll give you a better look at the positioning of those before moving on to the editing phase. To create the background, I spaced out 3 cinder blocks with 3D printed doorways in between. I found the print files for the doorways on Thingiverse and will leave a link for them in the description. With the background in place, I turned on my lighting and placed my subjects. I've had this Jurassic Park paperweight kicking around for a while, and I was just waiting for a decent idea before using it. I used the sand to hide its base and then posed and placed my figures. With the setup complete, I turned off my room lights and got ready to shoot. But before that, here's a quick look at my lighting setup. I had a panel light with a green gel in the front, angled much lower than my diorama to cast the light upwards. I also had a small panel light behind each door which I had to suspend from my ceiling so as not to cast a shadow of the tripods. Here's my starting image. I actually took 2 exposures, one with a little more lighting on the egg, with the intention of merging them together in Photoshop. After using layer masking to blend those exposures, I used the pen tool, content aware fill, and the clone and stamp tool to fill in the gaps above the doors. To finish it off, I did some dodging and burning, and then added adjustment layers for levels, hue, and saturation. So once again, here's the starting image, and here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.